Hi there, welcome back to another render demo tutorial. Today I'll be drawing Homer Simpson from The Simpsons. So if you like The Simpsons, grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, and let's begin. Let's start off by drawing a partial circle almost in the center of the page right about here. So we'll draw this eye like this and we'll leave it kind of open. And then we're going to draw the top eyelid and just kind of curve this a little bit. We can draw a little pupil right in the middle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right around here. We'll draw a nose. So we'll extend this out and then we'll hook this back. And then we're going to come down and we're going to come close to the eye, but we're not going to touch the eye. So we're going to come like this and we're going to come down like that, still inside of the width of the eye. Then what I'll do is over on this side, I'll create another curve like this for the eye right around here, and we'll go into the nose like that. Then I'm going to create another squinting shape like that, and there'll be an eyeball pupil right there. And then on this side, I'll create this shape right here over on that side. Okay, right from the top of the eye here, above the eyelid, we'll go over like this. And then we're going to draw the top of the head. So we're going to come up from here. And then his head's going to be kind of flat at the top, like that. And then we're going to extend over here, and then this is going to come back at an angle back to the left bottom of the corner of the page here, and then we're going to go down just below the eye right about there, because then we'll show the ear like that, and then we'll do a little line like this and then another one out of it. And then we'll do some hairs. So I'm going to start in the back. So I'm going to start on top of the head here, and we're going to come right about there. I'm going to start one right here and go to the other side. Okay, so we got the top of the head. Over here we can draw like an M shape, like the letter M. So we can come up, down, up, and we'll go past the head. Just like that. And then right here, if you come down and draw a line that kind of continues down like this, that'll be his neck. Now we want to get his mouth in place. So what I'll do is I'm going to start on this side where the nose is. So we'll come just below the nose here, and we'll come like this. And then we'll bump this out a little bit like that. And then this is going to stop roughly where the eye, the pupil is here. So if you come down, it's going to stop right around here. Okay, so as you're coming across, stop right about there. Then we can create a curve like that. And then as you come from this pupil here, come down, we'll do a little bump like this. And then we're going to draw the chin. So the chin's going to come down and curve like this to about there. And then we'll draw one shape that starts inside here. It comes out and then it comes back in like that. Because he's kind of chewing a donut. So we're going to draw a donut, but he's kind of chewing that right now. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. Okay, now from his chin here, we'll curve this down a little bit, and we'll extend this down a little bit. Now we'll draw a V shape like this and like that, and then this will come across and extend beyond a little bit. because then we can start up here and then come down a little bit. That'll be the collar of his shirt. And then if you draw a line from here down, this will be his shirt collar right there. Then we can do the other side like this. Then we'll come down at an angle. And then right about here, right under this V, we can curve that like so. And then his shirt will pop in this direction towards the right, in the same direction of this collar here. Okay, then extend from the neck. We'll just draw a little line like this. And then we're going to draw the shoulder. So I'm going to take a line and we're going to go up, touch that, and come down. Then at a slight angle, we'll curve this like that. And then we'll come down. So we're going to go from here, inside of that line on both sides. Okay, inside the line a little bit. We're going to come down. And then I'm going to curl this. That's going to be like the thumb. And then I'm going to draw this before I draw all the fingers. So I'm going to curve this the same way, just like that. And right about here, I'm going to have a little bump. And then we're going to have one finger coming out like this. And then we'll draw another one. And then we'll draw another one that goes up like that. Okay, then let's finish off this shirt here. So I'm going to pull that back in. And this one's a little short, so I'm going to extend it and go back like that. Okay, now right about here where his thumb is, if you come right about here, we're going to draw a curve. So we're going to kind of come down like this, and we're going to extend through and pop back over here. And then we'll do a little bump like that. And then we'll draw his pant that's kind of coming in on that direction. Now the reason why I extended this way past this shape here is because his belly is going to be bulging like that. And now you can see I can come far enough, which is okay. We'll just connect that. Okay, now I can draw the other shoulder. So we'll do a curve down like that. And then this part here will come up and over into that collar. Then from here, I'll extend a line just a little bit. And then this one's going to come up at an angle to the left top corner. So it'll come like this. Okay, now the wrist, see how wide this shape is here of the wrist, of the arm? We want to try to replicate the same, about the same width. Okay, so this is going to come down and bulge the opposite direction of this curve. This is going to curve in this direction. And as you're coming down, we will curve this into his shirt. Okay, now we're going to draw a finger. So we're going to come out and then we're going to hook in and we're going to do something like that. And then we're going to have like this little palm curve like that. Then over on this side, it's going to come out to the right and it'll have like this thumb over here. Now I'm going to draw another finger right above this one. Like that. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line like this, and this is going to be the donut. So what I want to do is I want to draw a donut right about here, and it's going to intersect with that right there. So if you draw a circular shape like that, and then right over here I'm going to draw the last finger. So we're going to come over like this, and then this one's going to curve and pop into that finger right there. Now for the donut, what I'm going to do is right here where the middle is, we'll draw this little round. So this is the middle of the donut, the inside of the donut. And we'll draw the bottom of the donut there. And then over here, we're going to have like a bite out of it, okay? So we're going to come up like this, and we're going to have like these teeth bites out of it. And I'm stopping here because this is the bottom of the donut. So I want to draw the top of the donut like this. And then the bottom of the donut is going to kind of come and be something like that. And then we could put some like sprinkles on here. And then if you put kind of like some little dots. There we go. So we have our donut. So Homer's eating our donut. Now what we can do is we can complete the lower part of his body. So starting just inside of the shirt, I'm going to come and round this like that, and almost right in the middle of this shape here, somewhere about here, we'll stop, and then we'll curve this just like that. Then I'm going to curve this like that. And you can start where this thumb is right here and just draw a subtle line down, and these will join together. And then you can do like a cuff at the bottom of his pants, an extra line there. And then I'm going to start right about here inside of his lower belly area here. We'll curve this the same way. And this leg is going to be a little higher than the other one. So you can start on this side here and curve it up like that. And then we'll do a second line that follows. And then for his shoes, we'll start with this right leg here, because this one's going to be in the foreground in front of us. So we'll go right from this corner, and you're going to come down. And then this is going to roll like this. And then if you start with the heel, then what we can do is we can draw the heel in place. And then as you go up, this will come down and meet up. And then you'll have a line at an angle like that. And then all we need to do is finish this other shoe. So we'll do the same curve here. We'll do another one right here. And then this one will just run right into the other shoe. If you don't feel like drawing Homer, if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description below, and I have a link there to download the free coloring page. That way you can do the next part, which is coloring in Homer, and you'll start right where I am right now. So let's color in Homer, and you want to watch to the end because it's really cool how he turns out, okay? Here we go. Go down in the comments below and submit your requests. I'll try to get to your drawings as quickly as I can. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I do videos every day, and you don't want to miss one, alright guys? I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.